Hey guys and gals, it's about 9:30 in the morning, probably 9:45, somewhere around there. I'm off work today, so I thought I'd come out here. I just bought an MS-180. It's a small saw, 32 cc's, okay, 31.8 cc's. It's primarily made for limbing, not really bucking anything up and cutting large rounds, but I've got a white oak down right here that I need to trim it up before I get the tractor out here and pull the log out. But we're going to go up here and cut it up and see how this saw runs. It is used. Came from Fort Timber. Good price, so I snatched it up. Yeah, I already have two saws. I have the Farm Boss, which I think is a 271, I think. It's like 50-some cc's. I've got a 021, I think. And apparently I needed three saws, so I went and bought this one. I've used it a little bit so far. Man, it's lightweight. It's nice. It does a great job. So thought I'd bust it out here today and hike up this little hill and see how I do. One, I had an MRI on my knee the other day. I got a small tear on my MCL, so they say 1 to 2 weeks to heal that, but it's been going on since August, so we'll see how it goes, see what they recommend we do next. So I'm gonna hobble up this hill here. I'm okay walking, it's uneven ground, but not that you need to know all that, but if you see me limping, you'll know why. Kind of take it easy, trim this thing up a little bit, see how the saw runs, and see what you think. Talk to you when we get started. See ya. Okay, we're all fueled up. Let's go to work. Of course, it's snowing out here. It's still a muddy mess, but I gotta get outside and do something. I don't like sitting down all day. Drives me a little crazy. See if we can get her fired up here. Start back in here, I guess. I like that. It's not heavy to carry in the woods. Yeah, it does on this. Alright, let's get this out of there. I'm starting to step on logs, and I don't want to step on rounds and trip myself and twist my knee up. So let's get these out of here. Hey-o. These trees have been down since last fall, so a little over a year now. Growl. This thing is so nice compared to my, I gotta compare apples to apples. The 270 or 271, the farm boss, is a much larger saw. I mean, it's 50 some cc's. This was 32, and it's much lighter. It's kind of manhandle. So much nicer to carry up in the woods. You know what I mean? Yep. And we're starting to limp. Of course. I've got the picaroon, but with this small stuff, don't really need it. Let's fill this wagon up, see how it's doing. And wobble on down here. Hiya. Okay, so hair flying everywhere. It's muddy out here. It's a mess. So yeah, MS 180 steel. That's all I buy is steel. So that's it for this video. I'll keep sitting out here working, and I'll let you know the more and more I use it. I use it twice now. Loving it right now. Really, I like just how lightweight it is. So I'm rambling now. So hey, thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later. Bye. I was probably screaming through the whole thing of that, and I dropped my glasses in the mud. Good Lord, Lou. Freaking mess. Let me reset this thing.